Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the pair of Bluetooth headphones. The model number is SX-990. That's with all my purchases. I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So because these are earphones, there's not a whole lot I can show you, and unfortunately I can't give you an idea of the audio quality, but at least I can show you what the packaging looks like. Again, the SX-990s. Main reason I went with these over other earphones is I've had lots of luck with the ones that have the band that goes around the neck. I know a lot of people are into the pods because they want it as discreet as possible. But when you're somebody like me that plays tennis or jogs, I just find these to be a better fit. Let's take a look at everything we get. Basically got some extra earbuds. And this should be a charging cable. A regular Android, or I call them Android charging cable. USB Android. And then this is what the headphones look like. It's basically got a forward and minus button. This is going to be for moving to the next track or adjusting your volume level. You've got your phone button. It's going to be for taking a call. You have a designated on and off switch. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see that. Here is your port for plugging the headphones in. And then they basically have these retractable earbuds that simply pull out. And then when you're done with them, you can press this button on the side and they will retract. Try and give you a look at the earbuds. And then again, fold up and go into this nice case. Let me show you the case. It's like a hard plastic or pleather shell with a cloth interior. Everything fits in nice and comfortable, and then you've got a carabiner on the side here if you need to clip it to a bike or a backpack or anything like that. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.